this one?
This is the 17, G5 17, so you'll note that there is now a flared mag well built into the gun. Finger guns have been eliminated. You have an ambidextrous slide release. You have a new trigger set in here. It is still a Glock standard trigger, but it has been simplified. If you've ever fired a Glock before, you'll note that it is a little bit cleaner.
I got a G34 at home.
Okay, so there's less uptake. It's a nice crisp break, and there's a short reset on there. Okay. The other thing is that the rifling has gone from their proprietary rifling with 4 lands and 4 grooves to a standard rifling. There you go. There's 10 rounds there. You're all set.
Cool. And I take it still the same breakdown procedure?
Correct. Please don't break it down, though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that has not changed. Okay. There was a gentleman in here who broke it down and then couldn't put it back together. I had to step in and do it. They're brand new. They've had less than 100 rounds through each of them. Oh, wow. We unfitted them at midnight last night when we were legally allowed to. Cool. Obviously, you have the interchangeable back straps. I'm not sure how many come in each box. I think it's be the standard setup. I think they give you 2 additional. I think this is the medium. You can add or I don't know, I guess this is the smallest, right? Because then you add on additional back straps.
Okay.
Oh, one last thing. They've also tapered, like you see on the 30s and the 26s, I believe, as well. The slide has been tapered for ease of holstering.
Okay. Cool. And the internal spring, is that like the 2-stage spring like the previous Gen 4? So
you got me on that one. I would assume that it's anything the Gen 4 and then some, so it wouldn't have gone backwards in any way.
Okay.
Although I do not know that component.
All right, because I know my G34 is just the single spring without the
I believe there is a single spring in there.
Good.
Yeah, the most significant change a lot of people are noticing is the trigger.
Yeah, that seems like it's got to become fully out first, and it's definitely a little different on the squeeze.
It's a little bit cleaner, a little smoother than traditional. Go for it. You're all set.
And this was the 19?
That's the 19, yep. Same features, just in the 19 platform.
Okay. Yeah, definitely smaller than what I'm used to.
Hey there.
We're on a party.
Woohoo!
We're going to have him finish up his demo, and then we'll let you guys start going. But I can give you your hats first.
Still the same Glock sights, I see.
Say again?
It's still the same Glock sights.
Yeah.
Yeah, the spring does look good. Still got a thumb there for the rest. The trigger on this one's actually, to me, a little better than that trigger.
Well, I know from the they're not making any designation between the two.
Please don't do that, go.
I think what it is that you shot a few more rounds through it, you're getting a little more what to expect from it. All right, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming in. Please grab a Glock hat on your way out.
Will do.
If you want to do 10 rounds,